My name is Ruth Carter, and I'm a licensed attorney in Arizona. And this is your question of the day. So, somebody asked me, I think this was at a blogging conference recently, they asked me about, is it permissible to reblog an image, but remove the original caption and replace it with one of your own? Okay, so if I understood this question correctly, some people take a photo and add a quote onto it and post it as like one unit online. And they're asking, can you take that photo, pull off the quote or the saying, add your own, and post it out again? Is that allowed? All right, it's a good question. And of course, the answer to every legal question starts with, it depends. So I would wonder who is the original copyright owner of that photograph, and do they give permission for people to use it in this way, or did they only give permission to one person, or is it a situation where it's like a Creative Commons photo where anybody can use it? So if a person licensed an image, added their own quote and released it, they paid for the privilege of using the photo. If you just pull off the quote and add your own without getting permission to use the photo, you are possibly and likely committing copyright infringement. So they may come after you for that. If it's a situation where a company is using the image as part of their trade dress, part of their marketing materials, where this image is synonymous with their brand, it could be some type of unfair competition situation. And you don't want to be in a situation where consumers are potentially getting confused about the source of the goods and services they're buying or that are affiliated with the brands that they like. So those are the two big things that jump out to me that could be going on in the situation. The big one is copyright infringement. And so making sure you have permission to use the images you want to use in your marketing, even if it's just for a social media post. Companies and individuals should be just as diligent about intellectual property rights in the images they use in their social media posts as they are on their own websites. So if you have questions about do's and don'ts and these types of situations as they apply to you, the person, or your business, consult an intellectual property attorney in your community. They are the best person to probably advise you on your needs. So I hope this has been helpful for you. This is a question I never expected to get, but given the blogging community, it actually makes sense. So yeah, as always, think before you post. Thank you always for watching the channel. I hope I'm putting out valuable content for you. If there's a question you want me to answer in a future video, feel free to leave a comment below, shoot me an email, and maybe you'll end up in my next batch of videos. So until then, thanks for watching, and I will catch up with you later. Take care.